She was
I remember
not.
it was cold, just like this.
She was being very difficult.
Right before. How did the doors go?
The doors on says shh, shh, shh.
I think it said shut. What?
Shut up door.
Shut up door?
Yeah.
That's not nice. The doors don't say shut up. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day,
And Gong Hei
guys.
Fa Choi if you're still celebrating Lunar New Year.
Good morning, guys. We are finally starting the vlog. If I look funny, I feel self-conscious right now. I just got a tooth extracted and this side of my face looks really round compared to this side. But anyways, good morning. If you guys, let's go ahead and start the vlog. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. If you guys are new, hit that sub button. I wanted to greet you guys with a happy Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year, Gong Hei Fa Choi, to everybody out there. And sorry, crazy house here. We have the dogs, have the girls. We are hungry. We are yelling at mom to cook. But today we're gonna go to San Francisco. We're gonna go eat, have lunch, and we're gonna have a fun time. So I'm over here vlogging, trying to intro this vlog, and Zoran has her hand up. And yes.
No, no chips, no chips. Look at the camera. Tell them what's wrong. Tell them what's wrong.
You want chips?
What is it? Breakfast? It's chips for breakfast. Then no chips. Go sit over there. Go sit over there. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to ask if we can go to the Disney store.
Ooh, you want to go to the Disney store? Yeah.
I just can't do it. I want to have my shake. And I have to cook for everybody.
Here, I'll help you. You know, I'm a kind person, so I like to help people. So Zoran's telling me.
You're being a liar. He just said, let me help you. I'm like, don't lie to everybody. You're only going to help me. What's wrong with my hair? You're only going to help me because I asked you for help. Not because you're like, let me think of helping my
I'm a
wife.
kind person.
You gave her to me and I already asked you to hold her.
No, she actually cried for you.
Hey. So, I look like I just woke up or just worked out because I just did work out. I just did finished up week 4 of the program I'm doing. 2 more weeks to go. I'll say I've lost about 6 pounds, but between like last night we had like Chinese New Year with Jonathan's family, and then we had like another Chinese New Year celebration with his immediate family the other week, or like the other day, and then like Super Bowl and baby shower. Between all those things, I will admit that I don't think I've been being as good as I can be. I've been making more conscious choices, but I haven't been like completely like hella good, right? But it's really a lifestyle change. So in reality, in life, you are always going to eat some of those unhealthy or bad things. So I'm not so mad at myself for eating those things, but I do feel like I could be doing a little better if I had not splurged on yummy Asian desserts or Korean barbecue or a cookie. You want this one? Yes or no? Yeah. Cheers. So something that Jonathan and I have been lacking at doing is when Zay goes to school, she learns a letter every week. Like every week it's a different letter. And we fail at like, you know, like really supporting what she's learned during the week. So we're doing better at it. This week, we're trying to do better at it at least. And this week it was letter K. And this morning she goes, Mommy, where's my kite? I want to fly a kite. Cause she like made some sort of like paper kite that she brought home, and I think Jonathan, I don't know where he put it. He may have thrown it away because he cleaned his car. But you know, it's kind of windy. The weather's been kind of cold here in the Bay Area. So we were on a search this morning for a kite, but nowhere had it except for this big 5 about 30 minutes from our house. Ninja Turtles. What else? More Ninja Turtles. Or these micro kites. All right, Zay. What are we gonna do now?
Kites.
We're gonna fly a kite, huh?
Oh,
That's my Ninja Turtle kite.
Ninja
Yeah.
Turtle kite. Let's see if Daddy can put it together. Together? Okay, together. Where's this kite? Oh, not that high. Come on, kite. Woohoo! I mean, she's only 3. Her expectations really aren't that much.
Literally, the one tree that's like in the area. Oh gosh. Well, there goes that.
So it's been raining for the past, like, I'd say week here in the Bay Area. Really cold weather for us Californians, super spoiled. It's been, so like cold for us is usually like what, like 40, 50s? It's been like 30, 40s. So it's been like freezing for us. Doesn't snow where we live, so we don't know what that kind of cold is like, but we know we hate that kind of cold. Point is, it's been raining the last couple days, and today is actually really clear here in San Francisco. So Jonathan has, like where we had lunch is kind of close to the Golden Gate Bridge, and we have to pass it on the way home. So Jonathan wanted to stop here at this viewpoint on the northern end of the Golden Gate Bridge. Because it's just like super clear, and because Zayana has these books about San Francisco and she knows about the Golden Bridge. So we're gonna just take some quick pics.
You've actually been here, baby.
Yeah.
We went to Kirby Cove? Kirby Cove. It's all the way like down in that area over there. And they have like a nice little bridge, or not bridge, swing that you can swing on and have the bridge in the background. Do you like it, Dalia?
Huh?
Yeah, you like it? Oh, what do you see? You see the water? So, something we have not, actually we haven't vlogged here at this location. We've been here with Zayana, but something you guys probably, most of you guys don't know, is that I actually proposed to Zoran, not on this side of the water or of the view, but I actually proposed to Zoran on that hill over there. I'll try and add a video or a photo if I can pull it up. But so this place brings back some memories, huh, babe?
Yeah, it was freezing. It was.
She was
I remember
not.
it was cold, just like this.
She was being very difficult.
Right before sunset, and it was like super pretty, but it was freezing, like right now.
Yeah, I was trying to get her to walk up to the hill so we can have like a nice view, propose with the view. She was not having it. It was all bad, but we're here. We're married. Okay.
Wow. There we go. We got our.
Oh, check this girl out. What you got there, girl? What you got there? Jamba juice. You know what kind of drink you have? Apple greens, huh? Yeah.
So we're at Target. As soon as we got here, Zayana goes, "Mommy, I need a poo-poo and pee-pee." I'm pretty sure she doesn't. Everywhere we go, she's like, "Mommy, I go to the bathroom." Everywhere we go. But she's over here touching everything like she doesn't have to go. So what do y'all think? Is she lying? Is she faking it? Let's just walk away and see what happens. Come on, even though we're really close. What? Okay, leave your Jamba Juice here. Are you sure you got a poo-poo? Okay.
We didn't even take 2 steps
I know,
away.
we didn't even move 2 steps.
Okay, let's go. Gosh. You want that?
No. Oh my gosh. So yeah. So we already bought Valentine's for school, but we're gonna buy some Valentine's for daycare too, because you go to 2 places. And on Wednesday, she's gonna bring her school Valentine cards, and because she doesn't have school on Thursdays on Valentine's Day, instead she's gonna go to daycare. So we're gonna get some stuff for daycare too. Oh my gosh. So what do you want to get?
I want something cool.
You want Vampirina for Mama Mila's house? Vampirina comes with, ooh, glitter bracelets. Okay, we'll get Vampirina for Mama, for daycare, okay?
Mommy, can I have it for me?
You could only pick one. And none of this is for you, it's for giving away. Which one do you want?
I think I want that one.
Vampirina?
I think that's for me.
No. So she's concerned because she wants some things for her, because she keeps asking me for other things, and she's like, I want this for me. So I have to tell her, you are gonna get things for mommy and daddy. And she's saying, she's holding this PJ Masks thing, but make sure I get this for me, okay? Dang, three-nager.
Zoran is super juiced right now.
I don't think he took them out yet.
Well,
They're in the box. I just saw a post on Instagram like 2 days ago that said these Mickey 90 ice cream bars made it to Southern California. We are in Northern California, so I have been waiting. I've been waiting, what, like 2 weeks?
yeah, you've been talking about it for a while.
Look at their Mickey ice cream bars!
Oh my goodness. You want one of those?
I know what
You don't want it?
I want it. This is mommy's treat, even though I'm supposed to be good.
I know, right?
You got there, Zay.
I close it. See the ball over here.
Uh-huh.
So I warm it up.
Uh-huh.
Then you sit it down.
Yeah. So Zay got a Pez dispenser because Daddy said she can get one for Valentine's Day. Is it Valentine's Day today? No, it's a couple more days.
I ate it.
I know. And she got to open it already because she's wearing tights. Can I see your tights? Ta-da! Tights. How did the doors go?
The doors on the set says shh, shh, shh.
I thought you said shut. What?
Shut up door.
Shut up door?
Yeah.
That's not nice. The doors don't say shut up. Gonna end the night doing Zayana's Valentine's Day cards. See? She picked these out from, where'd you get these? Home Goods? Or she goes, I don't know. Come over here, come over here.
I don't know why I.
Tell everybody what we got. So we got her Valentine's Day cards. Where did we get them?
I don't know.
Okay, but what's on them? Yeah, you know. Okay, what's on them?
There's over here is ketchup, and there's avocado.
What's the first one? What's this one?
Don't know.
Tacos. So we got these from Home Goods, I believe. She saw these right at the checkout and she said she wanted them. So I said, if you commit to these, this is what we're giving out. So she's giving out these, and then I'll be making some strawberry Rice Krispie treats. Not that I'm putting strawberries in the Rice Krispies, but they have the Rice Krispie cereal strawberry flavored. So I thought it was appropriate to get pink
Mommy,
for the
open
holiday.
it right now.
Okay, so let's just say bye. Woo. So we're gonna do that for the rest of the night, and I'm gonna work out. So we're just gonna say bye.
Bye.
See you guys next time. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day,
And Gong Hei
guys.
Pa Choi if you're still celebrating Lunar New Year.
Bye.
Bye.
Zaya!
We're here.
Where are you, Zaya? Zaya, where are you?